Mouth taping genius hack or health risk?
Have you ever woken up feeling like you spent the night wandering in a desert? Your throat is scratchy, your mouth is dry, and your morning breath is, well, intense.
It's a common story, isn't it? That desert mouth usually means you've been breathing through your mouth all night.
Exactly. And that's why everyone is talking about mouth taping. It looks like a movie stunt, literally taping your lips shut before bed. Dr. Ian, is this actually a secret to better sleep or just social media madness?
It's a bit of both. Let's think about biology together. Our bodies were designed with a very specific super filter.
Chapter 1. The Turbo Boost Science.
You mean our nose, right? Why is it such a super filter?
Think of your nose as a high-tech climate control system. It cleans and warms the air so your lungs don't get a cold shock. But here's the secret part. Your nose produces a gas called nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide? That sounds like something for a race car.
In a way, it is. Think of it as a turbo boost for your blood. It helps your body absorb oxygen more efficiently. When you breathe through your mouth, you leave that turbo boost turned off. That's why you wake up feeling like your battery didn't charge.
Chapter 2. The Sticky Note for your brain.
So how does the tape help? Are we literally locking ourselves shut?
Not at all. Let's look at it like a sticky note for your brain. You aren't sealing a box. You're giving your lips a gentle reminder to stay together.
So it's not about force, it's about habit.
Exactly. Products like Myotape or ZipLip don't even cover the whole mouth. They just provide a little tension. This keeps your saliva inside, which acts like a shield for your teeth and keeps that super filter nose working.
If you're planning to try this, save this video right now. We're about to go to the safety manual you'll need tonight.
Chapter 3. The Garden Hose Warning.
But Dr. Ian, it still feels a little risky. Can it be dangerous?
This is where we must be very careful. Imagine a garden hose. If the hose is clogged with mud, you wouldn't put a cap on the end, would you?
Of course not. The pressure would build up, or the water would just stop.
Precisely. If your nose is blocked by allergies or a cold, your body needs to breathe through your mouth to keep you safe. Taping it shut in that case is a major risk.
If you have a friend who snores or is always congested, share this with them. This garden hose rule could save them from a scary mistake.
Chapter 4. The 3-Step Safety Manual.
Okay, so if our hoses are clear, how do we do this the right way?
Follow this simple manual. Step 1. The 3-minute test. Sit on your couch right now. Can you breathe through your nose for 3 minutes without feeling panicked? If not, stop. No tape for you.
And step 2?
The safety tab. Never slap tape on flat. Fold over one corner to make a little handle. It's your emergency exit. And step 3, medical tape only. No duct tape or office tape unless you want to lose some skin. Use gentle paper tape from the pharmacy.
Nose or mouth breather?
So it's a tool, not a miracle.
Well said. It works on but your bodies come first. Think of it as a gift of health you're giving yourself, but only if you do it safely.
Did this clear up the mystery for you? We want to know, are you a nose breather or a mouth breather? Let's start a poll in the comments.
And if you found our safety manual helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're thinking about your health together.
See you next week for more simple science.